Hey my cutie bombs, welcome to the channel Beauty Health Binge, and I am back today with another super easy DIY recipe to make. And I am sure this recipe is going to be very effective as well as useful for all the girls and our gorgeous ladies having normal to dry skin issues. My friends who have normal to dry skin and it tends to turn dry after each face wash, then no worry and don't be in a hurry. The goodness of this natural ingredient will work best for moisturizing, nourishing and healing dry skin related problems. So, let's jump to the remedy and know the natural ingredient which is a powerhouse of antioxidants is called grapes. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. It's green grapes. Friends, all you have to do is wash and mash the grapes without peeling off the skin. You can probably take 15 to 20 numbers of grapes from the bunch and add some honey if you like. It's totally optional. You can also blend it into a mixture jar together. Apply this on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. You will notice the difference in the first use itself. It is not without reason grapes are called queen of fruits. Use of grapes as face pack gives anti-aging benefits. This superfood is rich in vitamin A, C, B6 and K, which are essential for skin cells. Apart from this, grapes are rich in fatty acids and aids in collagen formation. Isn't it? Wow, easy peasy and lemon squeezy. They contain good amount of phytonutrients and is anti-inflammatory. Grapes contain alpha hydroxy acids, therefore they help in reducing fine lines, appearance of pigmentation and rejuvenates the skin. So, my lovely ladies, use grapes to get youthful and healthy skin. You can either use green or black grapes. My lovely ladies, grapes puree is very beneficial for the skin and you can also call it a natural skin cleanser because grapes cleanses the skin pores and makes the skin pores free from dirt particles. Regular use of this natural homemade grapes puree face pack will definitely give you clear skin you dream for. So friends, start loving green grapes more from today because they just don't help you internally by the health factor but also externally for the beauty purpose of your skin. Friends, please do give it a try. As you can see, it's super easy to make but works excellently on your skin tone with regular usage. Friends, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment to make my effort worth. Friends, your one like, share and subscription makes me feel so happy.